No more bitter coffee aftertaste. We have used one of these cold brew coffee makers for about 12 years. We decided to treat ourselves to a new one. Let me show you what comes in this box. A container, a handle, a little stopper, a carafe with a lid. As you can hear, it's got a nice tight seal, filters, filter bags, and a silicone lid which goes on top of the container. You take either your filter or your filter bag. You don't need both. We prefer the bags. It's much cleaner. Once the coffee is filtered through, you just close the bag, throw it in the trash. Let me show you how it actually works. You place your filter bag inside the pot and you fill it with your favorite coffee, any coffee that you like. Then you leave it to soak for 8 to 24 hours. It seems to take the bitterness away. I can't explain it, but it really does. As you can see, I've just filled this with our favorite coffee. It's full to the top. And now we just twist the bag and then put our silicone lid on top. Now our coffee is staying dust-free and we're going to leave it overnight until tomorrow. Then once this has been brewing for 8 to 24 hours, you take your carafe with that nice seal and you place this on top of it and you pull the cork out. Pull the cork out while it's over the carafe. And then you let it drain. Your beautiful, fresh, bitter-free coffee falls into this container. Then you throw your coffee away that was in the bag or through the filter, put the lid on and place it in your fridge. We leave it in our fridge all the time. And now what you have made concentrate. So that concentrate, you can either have it cold or hot coffee. We usually use hot coffee more than the cold coffee. And you place a bit of concentrate at the bottom of your mug. Then you fill the rest with just plain water and then your creamer, milk, however you take your coffee. It genuinely takes the bitterness away. We swear by it. Like I say, we've used it for 12 years. So it was time for us to get a new one. I hope you find it as great as we do. It is delicious.